Hey guys, this is Poetspice, and I am here to do an unboxing of the November Not Too Shabby kit, okay? How wonderful. It's fabulous. So let me go ahead and show you. First, you get some ephemera. So look at that ephemera. And you know, as you can see, it's blue and purple. It's got blue and purple. So I'm all about the blue and purple. Blue and purple. It makes me happy. And it's got like this ice bluey color. So that's always lovely. And some little critters and the deer. You got one little snow globe. There's a foxy fox. Some little trees. So these are trees, although when I first looked at it, it looked like cotton candy. Little polar bear. Let it snow, baby. Some trees. So totally cuteness. Totally cuteness. Then of course, you know, you're going to have your paper pads. So it's Arctic winter. And then of course, it's got the blues and the purples and the ice colors. And so you can see them there. And it's a 6x6. You get 24 sheets and 4 of each design. Love it. Look at that. Do you see that yumminess? Yummy. Love it. Then you have a little bit brighter. So this is sparkling winter. So you can see where the trees come from. And the little deer and the fox. Look at that loveliness. Look at that. Look at that rich color. Love it. Then they have I'm gonna save this one because that one is so funny to me. So let's do this one. We'll do this one first. So there's 3 stamp sets. You have this one, and it is called Winter Wishes. Look at these little critters. Look at them. Look at the bear with his little stars on his bum. The little mountains. The little owl. And you got your little moon. But the one that I love on this set is this little fox. Do you see him? How cute is he? Oh my gosh. Foxy. So cute. And the little, what is that? Chipmunk? Little chipmunk. Then you have this one. This bear's face is hilarious. Look at that bear. He is like, I am loving it. Now he's supposed to be doing snow angels because it says when life throws you snow, make snow angels. So he's supposed to be doing snow angels, but he also looks like he's jumping, right? Doesn't he look like he's jumping up and down? So I thought this was so funny. My light just went out. So I thought it was hilarious because his face just looks like he is having the time of his life. Like, yeah, baby, it's snow. It's snowing. It's snowing out. And then this mouse, look at the mouse. Look at the mouse. They are both enjoying their snow time. And then of course there's these little things. Now this one. This one I was like, I must have this. This is too cute. Look at these little critters. Right? Look at these bears. This one right here cracks me up. He has antlers on. And he's just chilling. Look at his face. He's like, I'm just chilling. I'm just doing me with my cup of tea. Because I don't drink coffee. My cup of tea. I'm just chilling. This is me with my antlers on. He's chilling. And then this one over here, he's got his little knit sweater on. And this toboggan is killer funny. Killer funny. Right? He's all dressed with his little scarf. And then this one, you can use this one for Valentine's Day too. These bears tripped me out. I was like, that is so funny. So that is the kit for the month. So definitely, if you want to, go check it out. See what you see. And I shall see you guys later. Thanks for watching. Bye.